What are you two doing? I don't go crazy, dog. What are you doing this for? Don't you jump. Don't you jump. Don't you jump. This is how we wake up in the morning. Crazy dogs. Hey, buddy. You just get down off. Get down. Get down. Get down. I see you. Get down. Get down. Don't you jump. Don't you jump. Don't you jump. Get down. I see you. Why are you so crazy? Well, get him, Sequoia. Go outside and get him. Get him. He's goofy. Get that. Don't you do it. Get out. I'm hiding behind a recliner chair because I know he comes after me. Oh, he just woke up. Get that silly dog. Get that silly dog. Stop. Get down. Get down. Get out. Quit. Who's hungry? Are you guys hungry? Should we go eat? Wah! Down, don't jump on me. Let's go. Come on. Should we go out and eat? Let's go have some breakfast. All right, okay.